you probably know, the notes option on Instagram is quite fun when you don't want to share a photo or a video and you just want to type like a cute message or maybe the music you've been listening to lately or something like that. And on some accounts, I know they don't have access to Instagram notes. In this video, I'm going to show you a way you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is head over to App Store and search for Instagram. And here, as you can see, my Instagram has a new update, so I'm just going to go ahead and update it. If it says open, it means probably it is already up to date. If it says update, it means there's a new version and you can just update it. So maybe that way you can have access to the notes feature. Updating your Instagram probably fixes the bugs that you've been experiencing, but let's say that doesn't fix the issue. So there's still more things we can do. Let's say I open my Instagram, and first of all, if you want to add a new note, you can just, as you can see, it already has the note icon. So if I tap on that, I could either add music or maybe I could type whatever I want and then I could just share it. But let's say I have updated my Instagram and still I don't have access to the notes feature. So what you can do is tap on these three lines at the top right corner in order to head over to settings. From this list, you want to tap on account type and tools. So as you can see, my account is personal and it's private, and I want to make it professional. So as you can see here, it says switch account type. I'm going to tap on that. And then if you just tap next and go ahead, it doesn't cost you any money or anything. And if you just switch from a personal account to a professional account and then switch back, and you will be having access to your notes after that. And if that doesn't work, why don't you leave me a comment and tell me what you have figured out that can help with this issue. Hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.